my trades online just for fun, yeah. Future slowly know it's trending #1, yeah. Coming flowing up from Chicago to New York, it's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop, can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected, we're taking over, gaga. Everybody's scalping, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Don't I'm on scalping, baby. I need lots of guests of Kylie. Everybody's scalping, don't I'm on scalping, boom, boom. My phone won't stop, notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade from Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future story streaming. Todo mundo scalping, baby. I need out to guess that's Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo mundo scalping. Whoa, whoa. Long trade, short trade, this ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends, let's take it worldwide. Cause we're just in the zone. Future sport connects us all, breaking down the walls, generated profit. So when you know you were my face, we don't need no ICT, no FVG. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a case of Kylie. Everybody's scalping, calling on the scalp. One more time. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a case of Kylie. Everybody's scalping, calling on the scalping. Let's start, let's go.
This live stream is for entertainment information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We trade off screen. We trade after the stream, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We're not licensed professionals. We're not providing any investment advice. We do not make any claims of profitability. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope your trading went well yesterday, and I hope your trading goes good today. I'm guessing we have some volatility in the markets again today. I haven't really looked, so I'm guessing. But now that I'm looking, no kidding. Do I see what I see? Is it even possible? MNQ at 909 has a 15-point range, average range on the 1-minute candles. Wow, that's a wide range for this hour. That's a lot of movement. So I'm going to do a little bit of market analysis today. But I do want to start with the 15-minute chart. I'm going to take a look at crude and gold now on a daily basis. I like those two markets just to take a look at them. But start off with the 15-minute charts. By now you should know my routine. I'm basically looking to see what we've done in reference to the Asian session. Asian session is the gray box. I want to see if we've tapped into the highs and the lows of the Asian session, and if we have, I hold an opinion on where we're going. The theory states that if you tap into both sides, you're going to revisit the first side. So in this case, we tapped into the high. We traded beyond the high of the Asian session. Then we traded below the low of the Asian session here at 315. We did not get above the Asian session highs after that. So until I confirm it, I'm going to go with the theory that I saw online, that there is an 80% chance that we're going to revisit those highs, which is basically almost the London highs, just a little bit higher than that. So I'm going to be assuming that we're going to make a little bit of a run up today, or at least there's a high possibility of that. So I might be a little bit more aggressive on the bullish trades. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart, see if there's any levels we want to mark off. Well, I don't have that much data on my 30-minute chart. This is, okay, that's the midnight open. I don't want to get that confused, so let me first put that in its place. That blue line is the midnight open, or some people refer to it as the true open. So for today, that should be there. Now if we go to the 30-minute chart, I can't compress it any more than that. That's full view, but I can look back. And we are below the blue line. So what do I want to see? I would want to see this, the blue line. Hello? Dave? Were you calling me? Oh, I thought I heard. The blue line, midnight open, actually seems to be at a level that acted as both support and resistance. Okay, I'm not imagining that. Your computer's making noise. No so. Why would you say so? There's no so to that. Yeah, the midnight open is acted both as support and resistance to that at that level, which is what, 20,520 approximately. So anything under the blue line, no, going back all the way to the beginning of the year. So I'm going to assume it's kind of like blue sky territory, except something may change if I look at the daily. We're still trading lower on the Heiken SG. We are under the 50. We are under the 100 at this point. You know what? We were in a bullish run, and I didn't have the 200 up. But the final moving average that I'm going to put up on the daily is the 200. Let's take a look at that also. See where we are. We're under the 200. What color should I make the 200? I'll keep the color like that. I will make this one black. I've always known the 50s to be black. Oh, you're right. You're right. That's the 100. I never had the 200s up before. Black, red. Anybody have a suggestion for the color of my 200? Properties. Let's see what looks good. I rarely have the 200 up, but in this case, I think I want to watch it. And I also want to see if the 50 crosses under the 100. I think I will just make it a gray, because I don't use gray for anything, so that'll stand out to me. Non-Heiken SG, this is 10%, this blue line here. So we're coming up to a 10% decline. The 501 here, that's the average true range. Let me get the, yeah, that's the average true range. So we're showing 500 points average range now in the candles each day. That's quite high. Came up from 277 just 10 days ago. Let's see if there's any levels. I'm going back here about a year. Yeah, we do have a little support zone right where we are. Since we're below, I'm going to take one of those upper lines, steal them. Don't need them for now. Don't need them actually till we get above them, because I don't use support as resistance as some people do. Support is support and resistance is resistance. Oops, the mouse. But this level here is a very interesting level. We touched it in June and rotated higher. Let's make it bigger actually. I think we've seen that happen on multiple occasions. Same thing happened over here, but no significant move to the upside. But then when we touched it in November, we kind of really rocketed off that level. So it'd be interesting to see if this level holds. I know these two levels over here, when we had the two, let's call them chocolate lines up here, the market just traded right through it. So the selling was very strong. But we just may find a place to bounce here, because this is also the 10% decline area. So I guess maybe within a 1,500 point range, we can see some type of bounce. If you're going to trade that, you definitely want to be on the right side of the V. And what does the right side of the V mean? The right side of the V, see how this kind of looks like a V? You want to get an entry that gives you an opportunity or a location for a smart stop. You don't want to be longing into a decline. This is on a 15-minute chart. You want to be able to have some area that logically gives you a stop. Even over here right now, again, it's chocolate. It's a color that I use, I guess, the chocolate dash line. That's the previous day's low. You can even try and use that as a stop. Let's say like two closes below that could be a stop. If I were to take a longer term trade, targeting the London highs, I could set my stop as maybe two 1-minute closes under the previous day's low, and have an entry right there now, actually, because we had a little bit of a pullback and we broke the candle's high. But even for me, those are very wide stops, and I don't like to trade like that. What time is it? It is 9:18. Okay, we still have a little bit of time to look into gold. Those are really all the levels that I could see putting into onto the NQ. Oh, wood chip. I see wood chip, I think. Docs, chat. Let's get the chat open. Yeah, wood chip. I did something bad yesterday. I'm gonna say to you what I say to David when I hear that. I don't want to know. Okay, tell me, come clean. While I mark off my golden crude chart. I don't remember where you were on that account, but that's not so bad. It was an eval. Evals are disposable. Good morning. You are up a good amount already. Yeah, I did it last night. I was up trading and working till 3 in the morning. I had my screens open. There's really good volatility in the markets. Again, shit, look, I had it on the daily. Sorry, I was blocking the screen. Changing something. Let me cancel this. 14 points. Average range at 1 minute candles. It's pretty insane for pre-market activity. So I'm guessing there's going to be good volatility again today. I wanted to use the trade copier, but I don't know, I'm hesitant. Maybe I'm going to try it at 10:30 or 11 o'clock when it's quieter and I can watch it closer. I have to trade my PA accounts though, not just evals. That's an eval, as you can see, Apex. We'll see how it goes in the morning, how organized I am. My brain's on my head straight. I have problems with my internet connection. Oh yeah, again, I think it's dropping our cables. Sorry, don't mean to laugh that hard. I just had a visual picture of Putin with a pair of pliers cutting the cables. Okay, let me take a quick look at gold. Not too crazy about this colors here, a couple of colors on this color scheme, but I want to offset it against the other charts because I don't want to accidentally that's better. Yeah, I don't want to accidentally confuse it with NQ. And let's get the text to be white. I hate this. Yeah, text black's no good. Let's lighten this up a little bit. Get some life into this chart. Yeah, looks better already. Let's make this. I did it almost immediately after having the dumbest phone call with my trading friend. He annoyed the hell out of me with his arrogance when market spiked at points in the candle. I said, hang on, I think key for the day is that does the bounce fail? No news. He got mad and said, never mind. I won't impart my wisdom to you. Well, all you needed to say was, no worries, mate, or whatever. Don't get involved in that. You can't let yourself get influenced by others. Let's make it white. Let's get some white on the chart. And I gotta change the code on top because it says MNQ. And this is MGC. Okay, ready to go. I'm going to save this template. Save as, let's just call it gray. Save, now I don't have to do it. Template load, let's go find gray. Finally make one last change. Really? How did the moving average not? Ah, it's true. I don't have the 200 on this one. Where did I put the 200? I put it over there. Let's change this to CL. Okay, we're all up to date on my, I was so irritated I went back to trading and some of the almost boom. Oh my god. Man, no. First off, no one knows where the market's going to go. It's not a game of prediction. Do you watch hockey? I do, mostly during the playoffs. And only if there's a special game. I mean, I love hockey. I would watch it all the time, but our team from Montreal is garbage. They never do well. It's the Montreal Canadiens, a historic team, and unfortunately, they never do well. So I don't really watch anymore. Did I miss a great game? I saw Canada beat the U.S. I watched that game. Oh my goodness, my goodness. I was waiting for that setup. I wanted to short the break of the 1 minute candles low. That was just way too fast. That was 40 points. Oh well. Can't catch them all. That was a sudden dump. Did someone sell 1,000 contracts? A bounce fail. Yeah, you're looking lower. I was looking at the 15. I think Canada's second best. Oh my God. I think we were last in that four country. Yeah. Canada was second best. Unfortunately, I have to say US was better. They played better. They were look, it's hard to play with teammates that you're not used to playing with. So you can expect that the hockey's going to be a little bit less than spectacular. But U.S. was a well-oiled team, and they played well together. Canada, it's like they didn't know where their teammates were on the ice. Everybody looked like they were kind of either trying to go at it alone, or they were passing the puck to places where there was nobody on the receiving end. So yeah, it was a little sad, but wow, look at this little craziness here. Wow, what's the spread right now? A buck and a quarter, 75. A buck, 75. So it's like 75 cents a dollar. A full point, the spread right now in this kind of, what did we shoot to on the ATR? 22, pre-market 22 ATR. Might be same tension between US and Canada, maybe Sweden and us. Nah, I don't think there's tension between. I think Trump is causing a little bit of hoopla with the trade tariffs, but other than that, Hello? Yes, I was on mute. Oh my God. One day. I have no idea what happened there, but supposed to be in this trade. Wow, it is fast and furious. By the time I enter, oh, look at this! Look at the stop. Keep going, ba-ba-ding, ba-ba-ding. Like I said, I'm not going to try to trade this. Well, let it keep going. Keeps cha-chinging. It's like almost a game. I like it. It's like pinball, the noises it was making. Wow, what are we at here on the ATR? Whoa, 38. If I can get my price, I mean, I'm watching. I'm taking the entries that I'm supposed to. Boop, boop. Can't look, sorry. It's the open. I don't know who thinks it's a good time to start texting me on the open. Okay, it's short again. Come up. There we go. I can go short. I'll watch it on the Renkos. It's just too crazy on the other chart. Let's go. Stopped out. No! The other one stopped out on the Renkos. This one took profit. Go lower. Dump. Stop filled. Oh well. That was two full losers on the Renko charts, but not on the So we came right into that support level. That's the thick one that I drew, eh? I think we need the daily for that. Yeah, we bounced right off that thick one, which was I was showing here. We tapped into it 3 times. Tapped into it, went up. Tapped into here, went up. Tapped into it, explosively went up. Now we just tapped into it again. Interesting. Look at the strength that it bounced. 260 to 340 in 2 minutes. Almost a 100-point bounce off that. Okay, that was an instant profit and stop fill. I don't even know why, but stop fill. Stop fill too, 545. Let's try again. Good stop management. Fun stop management. I'm just practicing with it for today. And the Renko charts at this kind of volatility with a 7. You know what? I'm thinking I should maybe increase the size of the bars to 10 or 12. See, I've never factored that in. This away because my entry was poor. I gotta trade this one manually. Shit, damn. That was a bad one. I'm not even sure why I had a stop in there. I forgot to get out of an order. It's not working well. I think I need a way to know FPGs. Oh yeah, it's true. I didn't put those up. Thank you for Wood Chip. What would I do without you? You give me all my reminders. I didn't even put on the opening drive trader, which is good because it lost money, I can see. So that doesn't go on. Renko levels. I'm not putting those on because they bother me. Let's put on the Crude. And one more while I'm taking a little bit of a break here. Strategy 50-50, right? 50-50 goes on this chart. Yes, it does. And the timing is good. The lot size will be 10. Enabled. Sim 101. Sim 101 is at 0. Perfect. Okay, we'll watch 50-50. See what it does. Let me go back to my 1 minute chart. Remember, I have that theory that we are going to the London highs. Well, we're going to get our first fair value gap now. I don't want to compress my chart this much to be able to see the London highs. The blue line is the midnight open, which is at the previous day's close. That's interesting. I'm going to put some space so I can see the two of them. Coming up to VWAP now. Wow. Wow. Yes, this is very, very interesting. That's odd. These prices aren't aligned. Let's go up to VWAP. I'll tell you why I say the prices aren't aligned, because it didn't stop out on the Renkos, and the Renko's a 14-point stop, and I think I have a 15-point stop. I got in at a better price. Only explanation is the data feed's different, but you know what? The data feed shouldn't be different. It should be identical. Data is the data. It should be being pumped out by CME, and everybody should be getting the same data. Little bit of a dump here into that fair value gap. No, we didn't tap into it. Okay, I have a trade here at a better price. I'm at 84.91. I'm 7 points better. If this stops me out and the other one doesn't stop out, I'll be amazed. No, okay, so that's fair. They both stopped out. That's a poor entry. At least the target was filled. Because it's a poor entry, I got out. Well, Renko's going to have like 100 trades today. That's it. It's looking to go long again. I want to take a long here. I canceled my thing. No, you went against me. See, that's the problem when I do that, when I cancel an order. Losing money here. Okay, let's get a pullback, a little bit of a retrace here, and then a short, and then I'm going to try that. Wow, the money is fast and furious when you're right, fast and furious when you're wrong, eh? Okay, it's only shorts now for me. Coming up into the previous day's low. See if that holds. don't like this short. So I'm out of it. Tell you why I don't like the short, because I got in late. Yep. Maybe I'll put my stop back on. Definitely not using my trade copier today. Let's see. There's been some damn good moves. We're bouncing off that level there again that I marked off on the daily. That's interesting. So it's about a break-even trade, I guess, if I get stopped at. I was at 647. I'm at 645. Yeah, you see, that's the funny thing. Didn't get taken out on the Renko chart. He's not an exact. Oh, I was gonna go long. That would have been fun. I would have heard a lot of ding-a-linging there. Damn, I missed that trade by like a second. My finger was going to click long. Well, whoever's a hero today is probably going to make really good money if they're right. On the other hand, whoever's a hero today is probably going to lose a lot of money if they're wrong, or when they're wrong. $34.20 M, 14 points. Stop out on the Renkos again, eh? And I got a better price. Better stop out, because there we go. Stop that on the Renkos. I would have felt bad. I would have been angry. But soon I'm going to get a trade that requires no stop, actually. So I'm going to take it. Not no stop, actually, but not the kind of stop that's being managed by not the kind of stop that's being managed by that trailer. This is going to be one of those that I'm going to hang on to. My stop is about 14 points from here. I'll tell you exactly what it's at. My stop is at, I'm going to put it in 307. I'm letting this one go. What chip? I wish I had two so I can take out a piece. No, I'm not good at holding. I gotta take it. I don't know when to hold it till. I got good, 150 on that, I think. I don't know, don't quote me. Have to watch the replay. Crude had an inside bar trade. Let me just put it up. Inside bar traded over here. And it made it to the 1-to-1. Very good, very good. I just missed a trade that was a Renko trade. Cool. I should still be holding. That was, again, what I used to refer to as my swing trades. Let's go. Push up 7 points. Take me out for 7. There we go. Worst case scenario, it's a break-even trade. I like this because it's so fast. There we go. Worst case scenario, break-even trade. I think it even makes me $2. I gotta watch what it does. I don't remember what my balance was over there. Let's see if I can catch the next one. There we go. I'm canceling my stop because it's too... you see what's happening. Oh, you're making errors. It's okay. I have to remember turn it off. But now I want it back on. Turn it off if I'm going to manually exit the trades. I got to turn off the ATM. ATM, automatic trade management. I'd almost say that, oh my God, 51 points on the ATR. I don't know if I've ever, no, I have seen that. There was one day, I don't know if you remember, it was in the hundreds. The average range of the 1 minute candles was 100 points. Let's go, dump. Shit. I gotta get out of two. I have too many here. There we go. Shit. I don't even know what I just did. Anyways. I don't know. I'm getting out of that trade because I got confused. Yeah, no, the automatic trade manager is good to have, but you can't start manipulating the trade. We're right here at the previous day's low. It could be another bounce point. So far, we're just zigzagging. Up, down, too high for my style. Yeah, it's crazy. I think I need a break. I'm hyperventilating. Well, while I'm taking a break, let me just take a quick look at what gold's doing. 29.20. This is the daily chart. And you know what? I think I'm going to add the... yeah, I need a break. That was some high-octane adrenaline trading. Can I copy from one chart and paste on another? Maybe. Yeah, look at that. Cool. I didn't know I can do that. This one, it might not show up. No, it shows up. That's the 200. Daily crude is tumbling. gold. Well, we all know what gold is doing, eh? Gold, all-time highs, 29.74 on this chart. Crude has a support at 65.25. Okay, let's get back to my chart. Missed a couple of short trades. $50.50. Did it take any trades? It's not announcing them. $50.50 says it's short 10 right now. Really? Let's go to Sim. Let's take a look. Sim 101. No. Sim 102. Why does it say it's short 10? But it's not short 10. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to force it in just to get it working. On bar close. I don't know if it's supposed to be on bar close, it's supposed to be on price change, that's why. And synchronize. Now it will short 10. That's not where it's supposed to be short. It's supposed to be short, I think, above the line, way all the way up here, but I gotta synchronize the charts, so anyways, let's leave 50-50. Get back to what I was doing. That was an accidental click. Hopefully it'll work out. I'm going to take it. I'm not going to complain. It was an accidental click. It wasn't supposed to be long, but we're moving back over the bands on the Renko. So I'm getting, what am I getting? I am getting one of those longer term trades. That means I have to get rid of this. Let's see. Longer term for me, longer term is 2 minutes. I'm in for one lot. I'm looking at a see a reversal back up. But if it trades about 14 points lower, I have to get out. And it looks like it's going to stop me out. I didn't pick the wrong time to do this. So often I do. I paid a price. Oh my God, I'm short 4. I didn't even know. I'm doing this at the wrong size. I thought I had one lots up there. Oh, don't not work out for me. Let's go lower. Let's get down to 20,300. Because that'll be the, come on, 20,300. $20,007. I will, oh, come on, giving me a hope. Accidentally clicked again. That's wonderful. Hopefully the sellers come in. They did. Lucky for me, I get to lighten up on my position. Thank you. Good enough. Yes, I lost money on this, but now I'm where I'm supposed to be. Wow, a lot of accidental clicks today. I guess my adrenaline is pumping. We're trading right at the previous day's low. I'm going to stubbornly catch a move. There's no way with 42-point ATRs we don't take off in one direction or another. $28 is about where I would be getting in. Might change to 21. I trade by 7-point increments. Right now it's still 28. Really? That's not what I wanted to see. Okay, that's chewed up a lot of my profit. Now we're going to wait for 10 o'clock. Pass. Like I said, I'm going to stubbornly catch a move. Hey, okay. So what's happening there with Counter-Strike? It's finally doing what it's supposed to be doing. That's the short. There's the move I was trying to catch. I just noticed something very bad. My ninja charts are out of sync. And I have a large trade at a bad place. And of course, there's going to be a full loss on that, right? It's not going to be, it's not going to give me an opportunity. Wow. Come on, you go 7 lower, go to 09. Comes right to where I sold. Really? And my average price? I don't want this account to go. I want this account. turned red. I'm adding a little bit more. Give me one more bar under 30. That's 23. The two charts are just so out of sync. Okay, that was craziness. I'm lucky to have gotten out of that with the way that I did. And while I'm doing that, let me go to Sim 101 and see why it hasn't gotten out of this trade. I guess I don't have an exit on this. Well, that's why I run them, because I gotta find the errors, and obviously there's an error because there's no exit on this trade. How can there be no exit on this trade? I need a break because I did stupid, so let me go to Strategy Builder and let opportunity pass. You know what, opportunity is still 50-point average range. Okay, I'm going to get back to my account, and I'm going to take a one lot and let this one ride. Again, I'm back to that letting it ride. The one I wanted to let it ride, it went down 140 points. I didn't catch any of it. Come on, push it lower. Let's go. 09. I think my size is too aggressive. I'll just take this, whatever it is. Be glad with it. Back up my Renko. Renkos are in a trade, but now I got to get rid of them because I'm in a bad place. So I have to, what do I have to do? I have to remove the ATM. I have to watch it manually. And just be glad if I can get out. Take that, don't like it. Okay. Let's get back in game again. Try another Renko. This time I'm going to fight for price if it goes short. If I can't get my price, I won't enter. That way I can keep it. Well, not even close to getting my price. So that one didn't work out. Probably would have stopped at a break even. I gotta check what we're doing. You know what? Let me move onto the 5-minute charts here. See how ES looks compared to NQ. I would say relatively the same. Really? I didn't get 7 points out of that. That was surprising. 67.70. I'm 3 points better. Oh, there we go. Wow, I'd really like to remember. Let's try again. 848. Let's get it above. That's above. Let's get filled. 848. Let's see what happens if it takes me in. Takes profit. Let's go take a profit and then stop me out exactly. I want to say 848. So a loss is $58. Okay, that's good to know. Try it again. System is shorted 74. I'm shorted 80. It was 790, right? Again. Yeah, it's 2 full losses on the Renkos. Nothing I can do.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Yeah, I got a 2 position here. Again, I'm trying to catch a decent run, and I should be getting one.
We lay awake in bed. The laugh's so loud.
That's why I'm not using the ATM.
We're gonna do it all again.
I'm curious though, what if I'm in a position and then I use the ATM? Oh my god, that was a nice move. I'll take it. I'm not supposed to though, that's the thing. So let it come back down. Now what just happened? So the ATM goes rogue. Get rid of it. I'm gonna go long one here because I have a tight stop on this. One and one more. 5 points and I'm out. So close, but I will add if we get up to 16. And long at 12. Come on, let's get up to 16. 16, come on. I want to see a nice run. Well, oh, almost got me out. So close, and that's out. Wow, I'm just bouncing up and down to this 800 level. I think it's time to quit, no? It's crazy, crazy. Okay, that one got me over the 950s. So this one for the holding for longer term, which longer term right now can only be 5 minutes. The entry is 187. I do want to hold one, so if we can get back up to 187, 83, 84, 86. I saw it there for a second. It flashed. It almost gave me an opportunity. 75. I should have taken what I saw. 82, 73. Wow, look at it move. What's the spread again? Yeah, 75 a dollar. I just missed it. You know, it's making me hesitate to go in. It was my bias that we're going to revisit the Asia session lows. And like I said, it's only about 80%, which means 20% of the time it doesn't happen when we've tapped both sides. US session lows. Watching the chart closely because things happen so damn quickly now. Well, let's see a dump. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You know what? $50 on a one lot. I'll take it. What are you seeing at 114? That could have been the perfect example to see. It was 950, 950, 953. Okay, so there I got my answer. It's $3 when it does that. I'm gonna get out of my chair. I'm going to take a quick break. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Wow, big run. I'm gonna add just for one. I shouldn't have gotten out of both. I'll get a, if I get a red candle on the Renkos. Buy it, Sparky. As soon as I see some continuation to the upside, I'll be adding. Right now it's going to be at around 74. Almost getting there. 71, 72. Price is very erratic. Spreads are a little bit wider. Nothing crazy wider. No adding. Yeah, no, I can add to this position. It's a fair add. That's 74 right there. Gotcha. It's a different trade that I'm taking over here. Really? You're gonna pop up in front of my face. Yeah, I'll show it to you. This is the longer term trade that I call. I think with this kind of volatility, quiet, Sparky saying sell. This kind of volatility, I think really that's the only thing that should be traded. Let's take a lot less trades. Yeah, you see the entry on this longer. How far away is my stop on this? No, come on! I need it to be filled so much better. You see, it goes so fast. I think market orders is the. Yeah, no, I don't like this trade anymore. Although we did have that very bullish fair value gap that we bounced off of. I'm getting a piece out here. So I'm long at 69, and approximately my exit would be at, on this one, 38, so 30 points. Anyways, I'm up 20 already. 20 is not enough, not with this kind of, not when you have 40-point ranges on a 1-minute candle, and I'm up only 20 points. Okay, we broke out through the highs, 180 highs that I had on the Renko charts. I don't know if you guys see it there. Let me put it up for you. This here, these two highs. Yeah, the 180s. That's 30 points. I want 40 points. I already had it. You know what? I'm going to get out now and I'll tell you why. 20,200, so it could bounce off that level. I'll be happy with that. I'm content with what I got, but again, I'm kind of just treading water. That's when I missed it. Here? Oh, here. Yeah. Good man. Is that Alex? Oof. I refreshed my coffee. Talking a little louder because my mouth is right by the mic. I don't know how loud this is. Oh, it's pretty loud. I refreshed my coffee. So I'm ready to take some more trades. I'm thinking today's a day to be in front of the screens all day. Are we coming down? Yeah, we're down. We're down to 38 points of range on the 1 minute candles. That's down. I'm going to try my Renko thing again. Not Renko, my ATM again. I've been getting stopped out of it quite a bit. Come on, push up 7. There we go. I think 11 is too close for the second one. I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to work it manually with my finger on the close button and watch it. Or maybe I could just check the levels myself. $2.16. So sell stop market 1. And it still is 2.16. And that's it. Sell ask, get out, close. It hit the stop. What I'm gonna get is I'm gonna get another entry for the futures floor scalping system, swing system. I have to say that because the futures floor swing system is a very short-term swing system. So I gotta get out of here. Gotta change it to a 1 lot, and I had time, thankfully. Swear to God, just clicking the mouse now is takes too long already. Trades trigger in. Okay, I'm supposed to be long at 9. I'm long at 9. I don't know what I should do. Should I let this one go, or is it late already? And just take what it gives me. I think I'll let it go. Coming back down to my entry price, and my stop is about 14 points under here, pretty sure. Pretty sure. Let me just get it. Yep, my stop is at 87. Last time I didn't even have a time to enter it. Sell stop market 1, 82, 84, 86, 87 and a quarter is good enough if it goes to 87 and a quarter. But it had, because it just triggered me in again. Let's get 14 points from here. Let's get up to 30. 22. It's not being kind. Well, we got that level. That level's not acting as a magnet, that big, thick line. I don't like where my stop is. It's like at an obvious place. Yeah, Sparky sell, eh? Sparky saying sell, that's it. Possible I can catch all the turns the wrong way. I mean, we're kind of trending up on a really short-term basis here. Okay, let's get 10 points from here. Let's get to 98. There we go. That's the 98. Well, I'm going to do my mild swing strategy again. But my bands aren't doing a good job of catching it. We're crisscrossing way too much. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I'll try one ad to minimize my loss here. I'm watching it closely. I need about 7 points. That's good. One out. This is loss minimization. I'll tell you why. It's because it crossed over the side of the band again. I should be out. So if I could minimize my loss, I'm happy. And that's it. I have to get out. Now I gotta reverse and be the other direction. Wow, I usually catch these all the time, and now suddenly I'm on some kind of losing streak and I just can't catch them anymore. My karma has changed for the swing trades. Oh, my cat's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Just a 1 minute chart. I'm only going to do one lot. I'm really neglecting all my other accounts. I even have an MFFU account. I should start trading my MFFU account. I have two. I thought I only had one. And I have to reverse in about 7 points from now. I'm going to reverse now. Three. 18. Let's get above 20. Let's get up to 30. There we are. I'm long at 18. That's about there. I think I'm going to keep this one, and hopefully this will be the one that goes, but if this one doesn't go for me, I'm not doing any more swing trades. Okay, well, we're right at that thick line, which is, I forgot, support or resistance. Let's go take a look. It was support. Yeah, so I'm not going to use it as resistance. Anything doing on crude? Let's take a look. Nope, just that one trade. Let's compare NQ 5 minute to ES 5 minute. Well, we've traded back up to the London lows to this level here where we tapped into it twice, 3 times, and we've traded back up to it. If you look at the ES, we have it. So ES is quite a bit weaker than NQ right now. And we still haven't gone back to the Asian session highs, which is a potential theory, but you know what? Before I even entertain that, let's get above VWAP. Let's get up. You know what? Forget VWAP. Let's get above that support line, and let's get above the previous day's low, which is that dashed chocolate line. Going back down. This is elevator trading. Okay, the music's kind of getting on my nerves, and I think the 3-chart view is a good thing to have up. Hopefully we can catch a decent move up. Put this one a little bit heavier. Let's go. Let's get 10 points. Very good. Let's get another 7 points. Let's go to 51. Close enough. But I have no idea what just happened there. But anyways, I won't even ask questions. And it looks like I might get stopped out, so it's trying. I mean, the buyers are coming in. The buyers did come back in nicely, but then the sellers just won the war, so I have to get out. There we go. Yeah, I'm just churning and burning here. Between 800 and 1,000. The account. I'm going to buy one because this is a excellent low risk, high return trade. My stop on this is, and I will put it in even in the market, is at 208. So this is an 11-point trade. Oh, looks like we're there already. Okay, I didn't get an opportunity to put in my stop. That's the second time that happened. Okay, I'm going to take one off here. And now this one, this longer term trade is short at 9 and I'm short at 20. Wow, I got a much better price. Let's see if this one can go now. And bring in some, bring in a good move. Make sure I'm set to 1. We get a little bit of a retrace and a continuation. I'll add to it. And then hopefully we can see a nice dump in the markets. Well, I hate the fact that it's a wasted day and that I can't trade my other accounts. It's just too risky. I'll just trade one and that's it. Oh, that was no good. That was an extra click by accident. Okay. Let's see if we can... Come on. Give me a move down. Make me look good. Now I'm short 2 and I'm losing. I don't want to be short 2 anymore. It's going to bring me back under 1,000. I want to get to 1,200. I mean, I'm not trading the balance. I'm trading my setups. But I do want to get to 1,200. That's just wanting something. There we go. Getting lower. Average range is 40 points. Let's try to get 170 on this. 82 bid, 81 bid, 79 bid, 77, 79, 765, good enough for me. Let's see, come on, I just placed in an order to buy the bid. Fill me. To hell with it, I'm gone. I'm gone. Nasty action. Yeah, it's kind of tough, but I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm quick on the mouse to take my stops. Got caught a few times in some trades, to be honest. One was dangerous, scary. But, again, I don't know if you've been watching. I'm finding NQ stronger. Just that we were able to trade back up here on the 5-minute charts. We were able to trade back up to the London lows. ES didn't even come close to that. So the lows that NQ made at 830, we traded back up to. The lows that ES made at 830, we're still far away from. What? Fixing my strategy on price change. That's right. Template. Save. Save as default. Yes. Not gonna. Oh. I could be short the Renko system. Yes. Better price. What happened? Didn't I click sell ask? Oh, really? It's gonna enter another order. Didn't register my order. And of course, it's going to take me out for a loss. Got out of 2. That's good. Okay, let's see what this trade brings. At least I'm in for the right size. It is almost stopped out on the Renko charts, and I'm almost stopped out over there, but almost looks like I was stopped out, but yet it didn't take me out. Look at that. Go, take me out. There you go. It actually crossed my stop, didn't take me out. Hey, I'm not going to complain on that. I don't know why. I don't know. Stop fill. There you go. I don't know why Sim 101 is in a position. Close position because the strategy is not even enabled. Excuse me. Oh, Crude is in a trade. Let's move this here. Let's enter in the levels. There we go. Let's see if Crude can get to 67.61 before it hits 67.30. Let's get back to the 3-chart view. Okay, I can enter in on the Renkos. Wow, the 2 charts are just not the same at all. It's crazy. Target filled. That's good. I think if I do target filled, I got to change. I'm going to change it to 14, which is what it should be. Renko edit. It is 14. That's funny. That's funny. Doesn't look like 14 the way it's trading. No. This is a different trade. It shouldn't have the Renkos. Let's put it back to 9. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking? This kind of volatility. It is not a good idea to be trading the swing trade. It's too volatile. I'm going to get out of another one, whatever the price is. It's just too volatile. We're flipping on both sides way too quickly. It's not supposed to happen. I need higher Renko bars, and I need a bigger moving average on a day like today. The fish is too big for the fishing line that I'm using. Need to make an adjustment. Still can try to get 40 points over here, though. Long 808. Let's see if I can get 48. My hands off the mouse. I'd like to see 48. We can see 48, and this kind of volatility, we can see 48 very quickly. No, doesn't give it to me. 50-50 if it was working right would be short. Oh, nice dump down. Well, that was a nice retrace off this little mini dump, but it's hard to know what to do here because we are kind of consolidating, trading sideways. On the 1 minute, if I expand it, just take a look at that. I'm going to take a little bit of a long here. Hopefully we'll catch some follow through. We're up some. Not enough. It happens so fast. It's so hard to actually try and grab it. I'm going to try something. I was curious to see if I would grab that short as soon as it showed up on the charts. Well, we're down into the lower levels of this, let's call it consolidation. So I'm going to try a long when I get when I start to see some continuation back up. Crude's not up on the charts, but almost got stopped out. Here I can put it up quickly. That's Crude. Didn't get below the blue line, though, the bottom blue line, so I don't know. I'm going to anticipate a move back up. I'm going to get in for one. I'm going to watch. If we get under what? Hard to say. I can easily get wicked out of this trade with 43 is where the stop would be. 43, that's 30 points at $60. Well, if they're able to drop it all the way to 43 without going up first, that'd give me a little bit of a move up. They got me. They got me if that happens. I'm curious to see after, there we get 60. I'm curious to see after I'm going to change the size of my my bars. I'm really curious to see if it would make a difference, or maybe just changing the moving average bands. 74, I'll add to this trade. That's not too far away from my entry, actually. Come on, let's get back up to 74. That's basically what we've been doing. We're seesawing up and down. We're getting there. It looks like we want to try. I'll add over here even early because this market is crazy. It's a crazy market. Take out a piece of the one. Go bounce up and take me out. Bounce up and take me out. You were right there. Could have lowered my price, and I'm in a bad position. Now I'm in a bad position. Yeah, they're probably going to take out the lows now and then go back up. But I can't hold it because it would be too dangerous. Or I get lucky and they run back in, the buyers. Let's have a sip of coffee. Either way, I don't get hurt too much. Yep. Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay, they got me for the 2. They got me. Good for them, and Crude got stopped at the same time also. Can't win them all. I'm short at 28. Let's see if I can get 18, 10 points. That's better than 18, so at least I got some back on this down move. I tell you, I'm so curious if I enter long on the first opportunity, if I'll catch movement, I'll catch a run. Are we going to break initial balance low? I think the way I'm seeing price action, that would probably be a good trade to fade. Let's get back down to 20,076. 40 points away. It's only the range of the average 1 minute candle right now. I kind of missed the opportunity to go long. Maybe not. 32. I'll take it here. 25 if I can get it. Let's try that. No, got me. I'm back under 1,000. Okay, that one didn't work out for me. We're bouncing back up. Got that bearish fair value gap. One more candle. And this is confirmed bullish at 67. I'll be long at 54, so we can catch a run, hopefully, for 14, 15 points. That's the entry. Now I'm going to try and catch 15 points off this. Risking about 21. Put a lot of potatoes in this sack. Maybe a little too many. Blow it up. Go up to 67. Okay, things worked out for me. Let this go. That's pretty sad how many times that happens. I was saying I did not bad today. I only traded one account. And catching a decent move here. I hope it continues. Gets us back up to this 20,263. Forget about it. Oh, it's just crazy how many times. There should be I got to get a big flashing red light somewhere, letting me know when my mic is muted. Yeah, the volatility is pretty crazy today. That's it. You're done for today. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock for you. That's good hours for you, you know? That's pretty cool. Hey, I wanted to ask you, it's true. How cold does it get in the winter over there? Are you like, well, first off, are you on Celsius or are you on Fahrenheit? I think you're on Celsius, right? Your temperatures, they work on Celsius? Like, do you get down to minus 30, minus 40 in the winters over there, or it's more reasonable? I had a decent win, but they're taking it away from me. That's been the case all day today. The volatility is just too high. The wiggles and the waggles are taking me out. They're not holding. I'm hoping this one holds, but doesn't look like it. Looks like they're going to get me again. Yep, they got me. Back down to 11. I don't know. Didn't I say close? I thought I said close. That back down to 1050. Tried to pass 50K account with micros like traded move with real setup. Yeah, I saw your short setup. I don't remember what happened. It went against you, came back, and then I left. Clock here 6. Oh, I thought you were 5 hours ahead of me. 6 p.m. Got to 2850. All 4 seasons, same climate in Canada. Let me try a long. I want to see it get to 95. 95, I'll be happy. 95 means we might get a bigger move. And I don't want to see it hit 74. I'm long at 82. We're struggling, not being able to go lower, so I'm going to add here, hoping there's going to be a pop. Yeah, there was their pop. Oop, I have too many. Get me out of 3. There we go. Yeah, I see that channel, definitely. Thing is, I was I was trading kind of this channel here. And then I got hurt on this dump, which I said, you know what it's going to do? It's going to go down, take out the longs, and go right back up, which is what it did. Well, let's get back up to 88. 88 I can add. And then we can run. And 67 I have to get out. So close. I really wanted to see her run. Oh well. No! Oh, so quick it went back up. Boy, this market is fast. This market is fast. I'm surprised that the spread between the bid and the ask is only one. Take a break. Take a break. I'm good. No, you can't say that, but I got to get out very, 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 very soon. David, I never do. I do it manually. Thank you. Yeah, at the same high candle is only Western country, Russia, our neighbor. All other countries are more the same people they have, the neighbor Slavic people. We are Scandinavian, blonde and blue eyes. Yes, that's a very, for the men over here, if you tell them Scandinavian women with blonde and blue eyes, they get all excited. They sound tough and gorgeous. You do any posting on Twitter or TikTok, Instagram? What's the other one there? I forgot. There's one other one. Reason why I'm asking is I found an app that can help you put out posts really, really fast. I just came across it yesterday, and I was able to put together some... Hold on. Some kind of cool posts on Twitter that end up linking to my YouTube channel, and it didn't take me long at all. You're taking credit for Pamela Anderson? $53, I want to see 60. 53, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. Good enough for me. I'll get out of a piece. Now I want to see 60. I'm talking about the offer. 58, 54. What am I long at? I'm long at 50. Come on, go up to 60 offer. 7, 8, 9, good enough. Oh. Comes back down, doing a little micro scalp here. Crazy thing is, I thought she was Canadian. And why did I think that? Because she played on Baywatch with Hasselhoff, and I think Hasselhoff is Canadian. Yeah, it's crazy. We have 27 points average range on the 1 minute candles, yet the continuation is lousy. I think it's getting time to maybe start quitting. The thing with me is also I start trading very poorly after 11 o'clock. I've noticed. That's when I start to give back a lot of money. Maybe I'll just play it closer to the vest here, lower my size. Well, I was up to 1200 for a while, but 11 o'clock came and oh, there's an entry. I can take it. Come on, let's get at least 10 points down from 39. Let's get to 29. That's good. Let's get one more. Let's get to 25 bid. At 25 bid, I'll get up my other piece. 29, 29, 28, 7, 6. Good enough for me. There we go. I visited in Denmark. Goddamn. Ladies are tall. My wife's tall. Almost as tall as me. I'm 6'2". I married a basketball player. Not true. She doesn't play basketball, but she's very tall. $190. I gotta put that into the Google Translator, even though we're on the metric system. Canada switched over. We were on the imperial for forever. I grew up with imperial, meaning feet and inches. Ah, there we go. 19. Thank you. Yeah, temperatures. Oh. That's long now. Temperatures, I know. Temperatures, I know in Celsius and Fahrenheit. I've lost Fahrenheit, even though I grew up with Fahrenheit. But the feet and inches, and centimeters, my brain still thinks in feet and inches. But for speed, long from the bottom, kilometers. My brain's in kilometers. It's not in miles anymore. Yeah, I really haven't caught a good run in a long time. I'm trying. I keep swinging the bat. Like I said, I'm just treading water. But I'm trying to catch. My next trade will be a long, around 88 from here. Unless. But right now, if we get up to 88, I'll be looking to enter long. Maybe I'll just go back to my Renko ATM, fight for price. Liters, yeah, I'm in liters. I'm not in gallons anymore also. Yeah, my brain mostly converted. It's just the feet and inches that's still stuck in my head. Okay, 81 now. It's around where I'll be looking to go long. Shit, damn, why don't you run through it a little quicker than that? God damn it. Okay, let's have fun with this one. Let's hear the cash register ring. If possible. Stop filled. Let's play 1,000 liters water is the same as 1 ml, I think, times 1 ml times 1 L, so same as 1,000 kilograms. You know, it's funny, when I was moving dirt over here by my, oh, no, that's not a trade. When I was moving dirt here by my house, yeah, I kind of noticed that the volume of water was kind of like the weight of water. Like you're saying there with the liters equals kilograms. I remember it was about, I think, 100. What was it? It wasn't 100 kilograms. I think 100 pounds was about 89. No, what was it? Something. It was 89 pounds. About 100 pounds for. I don't know. But I remember it was like equal. I don't know. I don't want to sound stupid, but I remember it was kind of equal. And I was saying, wow, look at that. And I also noticed that, I know you were talking about water, and I said dirt. Water, dirt, rocks, they all weigh the same thing. Mostly. They all have the same mass. I put on my thing. Stop filled. We can listen to the imperial staff. Don't understand what's with them. So just everything is divided by 100. Yeah, well. I don't know why, and I don't know why governments choose one over the other. I heard the word metric means water in Scandinavian. Just joking. Didn't have to use my puffer today, but my cough is a little bit back. Come on, let's try and get in here. Let's get one target filled. There we go. Let's get another cha-ching and another cha-ching. One more cha-ching and I get out. Aren't the cha-chings fun? They make Doesn't that make trading fun? Okay, I'm out. That was the most fun I had all day. Thank you very much. Should make it louder. Now that sounds like you're making money. I called that ATM Renko. I should call it Woodchip. Woodchip told me to use a trailing stop. But it's tied into the Renko charts and the size of the bricks, the size of the bars. So 1.6 million contracts traded. That is a lot of volume. With the 30-point range. Vatten, Vessi. Those words are closer to English than they are to French or Spanish. I thought it would be close to French. I know. Made it fun. Every time the trailing stop moves, it rings. Come on, come down. I can enter again. There we go. I can enter again. Let's go. Take profit. That doesn't look. Yeah, it is 7 points, and it's 14. 7 to 14. Oh, no, this one's gonna be a shitty
Stop
losing
filled.
trade. Oh well. It was a 1 bar. Long at 88. Down here when we came into the, no, 88, a little higher up. Maybe the break of this candle high over here.
Target filled. Stop filled.
Well, didn't get the cash register, but you know what? I can kind of get back into this trade because it didn't get taken out on the, and I can keep my finger on the close button. Didn't get taken out on the Renkos. So it might find its way back up. And no, now it's out on the Renkos. We Finnish stayed in our own territory mostly. Oh. Long again. Let me get 4. That's 4. I'll take 4. I'll take 4. Chingalings 4 times. I'm taking it. I mean, we're still mostly trading sideways. Price really does have to get above this 20,260 level or get under VWAP. Either get over 20,260 and hold or get under 20,080 and hold. What are your trailing settings? Here, I'll put it up. It's based on the Renko charts that I trade, but the Renko charts, I mean, they are kind of up. I could show them to you. Hold on. Let me click edit. It takes a 2 lot. Takes the first profit at 7. The initial stop loss is 56, which is 14 points. And then that final contract, it trails it at 56 points. Edit every 28. So every 7 points. Oh no, then it trails it at 44. That's 11 points. So then every 7 points it moves it by 11 points from that high. I trail it a little closer. Initially it's 14 points. And then after I take my first 7-point profit, I trail it at 11 points. And the reason why is because I'm trading, see all those entries you're wondering about, long. This is 7 points, this is 7 points, this is a full loss, that's 7 points, that's a nice run, that's a run, that's 7 points. So Time to go eat something nice set up just from micros. Yeah, micros, but not trading consistent size all the time. I flip flop, get aggressive sometimes. Have a good supper. I hope you're eating steak. Heading to 350. Oh yeah, let's get over 260 first. Take a quick look at the 5-minute charts. See again, NQ's coming up to the London lows, and ES is nowhere near the London lows. And if you don't want to say, London lows, you don't want to talk about the London lows, then talk about the 830 low. Yeah, this is the 830. The 830 low on ES, we're still very far away from it, but the 830 low on NQ, we're tapping into it right now. And look how we reversed off that 260 line on the 1-minute chart. Yeah, that's a big line there. That's a big area. What's gold doing? 920. Crude came up a little bit off the lows. These are daily charts. Again, I make them different colors so that I know that I'm on them. I don't make a mistake. See ya. See ya. Oop, I have an entry. I can get a better price. I'll take it. Put my finger on the close button in case it stops out because that line is there. Do we want to try and go into that line, or the seller's going to come in? I would say most likely the seller's going to come in. I don't even want to sit around and watch. That line is sitting above us too ominously. And we're too close to it right now. Even today, it acted as support twice. And now resistance twice. Again, I made it thicker than usual. It's off the daily. Going all the way back to last year in late June. Support. 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 It's also the 10% almost area from this top over here. Resistance. You can almost say resistance over here. And now this 20,260 is a definite price to watch. What's this account at anyways? I didn't even check all day. 301,603. Really? That's it? Yeah. I'm going to take a quick break, stretch my legs, be back in 2 minutes. Oh, that level is holding 20,260. Oh, we're making a run for it again. I would have entered because we were a little bit lower. Ah, let me try because this looks like this is the run. Hey, 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 hey. That thing got in my way. That was a quick $100. Now we're going to come back and retest it. That's an obvious trade. Let me remove the ATM. Open this up. I think we have both a good continuation trade here or a retest. That's continuation. Another 70 in the account. That was an easy trade. See, that was an A+ trade. Still waiting for the retest, especially now since we have space between the didn't even know if my mic was on. Now that we have space between the level, we're coming to it. I'll do a 2-lot here. I'll watch it. That's all I'll do now. The next thing I need to see continuation before I add, because they might just push it aggressively lower also. They may say, no, 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 we're not getting above. I'm 10 points down. I'd like to improve my average price, though. I'm seeing a little bit of buying come in. Didn't improve my average price much there. This improving my average price might end up being costly. Oh. I need another bump up. Bump it up. Bump it up. 6 is enough for me. Bump it up. 64. You guys, what are you doing to me? It was at 1300. I was so happy. Now they're going to run it. That's the wick. Well, they played me, but at least I got back over 1300. Whoa, 1333. I think that's a magic number to quit with. I like that. I like the way that sounds. Yeah, I think I'm going to quit with that. The retest of this line here, of this support resistance, 20,260, was a excellent retest trade. Unfortunately, I front run it a little bit, front ran it. So I got into a little bit of trouble, kind of got worried when we got 10 points under it, but it did prove to be a good trade. Honestly, I'm thinking that once you touch that line for a retest, it might be a good idea to wait for a break of a high of a previous candle. So when we touch it, we're waiting to break this candle, but when this candle closes, we wait to break the high, and we can set our stop on under the 1 candle low. I should do that. Let me just see what 50/50 is doing. Yeah, I'm going to work on the coding of 50/50 a little bit. What account is that? 150? Nah, it's a 300K. That's why I'm trading it a little bit more aggressively. It's at 301,779. But I can't be trading my evals again and focusing on them. I have to trade my PAs. Today was just a crazy day. And I don't know. You know what? I got to practice tonight. I'm kind of disorganized. I think I got to put in a practice session with market replay. And certainly I didn't want to use the trade copier today, because the trade copier always sticks it to me. Well, my last interesting note before I go is just to notice how NQ is stronger than ES on the 5-minute charts. Not because we're up at VWAP, but we are up at VWAP. Here we aren't. But because we've crossed through the 830 lows. And ES is nowhere near the 830 low still. So ES is very much weaker. And just for fun, if I can get in, I missed it. I was going to say if I can get in for one more Renko trade. Yes, I saw that. That's why I said there's an 80% chance, statistically, that we tap into those levels. Yeah, I wanted to hear the cash register one more time before I left. I missed it. I would have been hearing it. Way too many messages. Okay, I'm closing up. I'm going to try and put together a video today. So if I get it done during the day, maybe I'll live stream at 6. But if not, then I might just join in on Pine Tree Trader or Pine Trader. I forgot his name. I might just join in on his stream and work while I'm watching him trade. And that's it. Thanks for showing up. 350 incoming. Yeah, look at that. We're over. You always like to talk when I'm trying to go. I've noticed a pattern. Oh, got a cough. Hold on. I have to say I was better today. I didn't have to use the puffer. Still had to cough quite a bit, but nowhere near as much as yesterday. Okay, Wood Chip, thanks for showing up. Click the like button if you didn't get a chance to. And maybe I'll stream at 6, or maybe I'll see you in Pine's stream tonight. Take care. Bye.